Hello, welcome to Health Biz Talks. In this video, I am going to talk about how to lose weight fast without exercise. A common mistake many dieters make is not taking into account what they drink. The truth is, the fluids you consume can have just as big an impact on your waistline and your health as the foods you eat. Of course, for dieters who are serious about losing weight, that means no more soda and no more alcohol. But what about green tea and black tea? Are these teas good for you, or can they actually cause you to gain unwanted weight? The answer may surprise you. You see, most people think green tea, in particular, can help you lose weight, not gain it. But that may not necessarily be the case. Several studies have shown that green tea does not affect weight loss. For example, a study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2009 found that green tea extract did not affect the resting metabolic rate of 12 normal weight men. Meanwhile, a Cochrane review of green tea research found that green tea led to only small, statistically insignificant weight loss in overweight or obese adults. The review also noted that regular consumption of green tea didn't help people keep weight off. In addition to these alarming findings, there could be another problem. If you are putting sugar into your green tea, that could be a source of extra calories that you are not accounting for. According to experts, people who are frequent tea drinkers may consume up to 300 calories or more a day from sugar alone. So what about black tea? Black tea is actually burnt green tea, and it is full of caffeine just like regular green tea. Ingesting too much caffeine can cause heart palpitations, nausea, vomiting and jittery feelings. Even if you drink decaffeinated green or black tea, the decaffeination process destroys much of the natural ingredients. It makes more sense to drink a tea that naturally contains no caffeine, like the tea I'm going to reveal in just a moment. Another common problem with black tea is that it is often taken with milk, which slows down the absorption rate of valuable antioxidants and polyphenols. Surprisingly, skim milk slows this process down at a greater extent than whole milk. So if green tea and black tea are not ideal for weight loss, what should the responsible dieter drink? The answer is found in the jungles of Africa, where Kenyan tribesmen drink red tea to eliminate hunger pangs while they hunt for their next meal. Red tea not only gets rid of hunger pangs, but it also promotes fat burning and boosts energy without relying on caffeine. That's right, red tea is caffeine-free. Red tea is basically the perfect health drink. It's refreshing and tasty and can be served hot or iced. It helps clear toxins, it reduces fat-storing hormones, and it promotes the production of fat-burning hormones, all while naturally reducing stress and balancing insulin. The red tea detox is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to cleanse away excess fat without feeling any cravings or hunger. Drink this delicious tea to block uncontrollable hunger and cravings, prevent mood changes and irritability caused by low blood sugar, eliminate rebound weight gain triggered by skipping meals, boost energy levels with no mid-afternoon energy slumps. Red tea contains asparlathin, the incredible fat cell shrinker. Asparlathin contains a unique bioflavonoid which reduces stress hormones that contribute to hunger and the storage of fat, plus, it increases feelings of fullness and enhances glucose and fat metabolism so you burn more fat while absorbing fewer calories. Another unique ingredient in it increases blood flow and stimulates the secretion of adrenaline to boost metabolic fat burning rate while assisting to improve insulin sensitivity and potentially lower cholesterol. The final ingredient is a diuretic, so it promotes urine flow without altering the excretion of sodium and potassium, and it won't cause dehydration. This is critical to detoxing your body the right way. It promotes the functioning of the kidneys and liver and increases the amounts of various enzymes in the digestive tract, so it helps improve digestion and cleanses the fat. You can finally wear your favorite jeans from years ago, have energy throughout the entire day, not get exhausted playing with your kids, not be bogged down with stress and anxiety, have the confidence and energy to have an intimate evening with your spouse. Drink this tasty red tea and in only 14 days from now, you'll have kick-started your natural fat-burning system into overdrive, turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. You'll look in the mirror and, for the first time in years, you'll see a big, unstoppable smile. To know more about red tea, click the link in the description below, and if you liked my video, please click like and subscribe my channel for more health videos.